Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change Duolingo logo. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to the Duolingo application. Now, click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, you will see your Duolingo logo or your profile avatar just right here. In order to change this, click on the avatar and it will show you this page where you can easily edit the skin tone. For example, I'm going to choose a skin tone like this. Now, choose the body type. Now, click on this face icon and choose the eye color. Then choose the expression. Now choose hair color. Now choose the hairstyle. Choose glasses color. Choose facial hair color. Choose facial hair. Type. Choose headwear color. Choose the type of headwear. Choose the clothing color. Then choose the background color. Then click on done. After this, you would have successfully changed Duolingo logo. So that is a simple way to change Duolingo logo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.